Chapter 10. Leaky Gut, the Root Cause of Chronic Inflammation. Chronic inflammation is at the core of many modern diseases, autoimmune disorders, digestive issues, skin conditions, and even mental health struggles. But what if there was a single underlying issue that connects them all? Leaky gut syndrome, intestinal permeability, is one of the most overlooked but powerful contributors to chronic inflammation. When the gut lining becomes damaged and overly permeable, it allows toxins, undigested food particles, and harmful bacteria to enter the bloodstream, triggering an immune response that can lead to widespread inflammation. Despite its increasing recognition in functional medicine, leaky gut is still often dismissed by conventional healthcare. However, emerging research strongly links it to conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, autoimmune diseases, allergies, and even neurological disorders like anxiety and depression. Understanding leaky gut is key to healing the body at its core, reducing inflammation, and restoring overall health. What is leaky gut? The gut lining is designed to be selectively permeable, meaning it allows beneficial nutrients to pass through while keeping harmful substances out. Think of it as a protective barrier, similar to a fine mesh strainer, but when that barrier is compromised, the gut becomes leaky, allowing unwanted substances to enter the bloodstream. Toxins from processed foods, pesticides, and artificial additives leak into the body. Undigested food particles escape into the bloodstream, triggering immune responses. Harmful bacteria and endotoxins, LPS, infiltrate the system, fueling systemic inflammation. This process overactivates the immune system, leading to chronic, low-grade inflammation, which, over time, can contribute to a wide range of health problems. What causes leaky gut? Several modern lifestyle factors contribute to increased gut permeability. Poor diet, processed foods, refined sugars, vegetable oils, and artificial additives all damage the gut lining. Gluten and lectins, gluten found in wheat, barley, and rye, can increase zonulin levels, a protein that loosens the gut barrier. Certain plant compounds like lectins, found in beans, grains, and nightshades, can also irritate the gut lining. Chronic stress. Prolonged stress weakens the gut barrier by increasing inflammation and altering gut microbiota. Antibiotics and medications. Frequent use of antibiotics kills beneficial bacteria, leading to microbiome imbalances and increased gut permeability. NSAIDs, like ibuprofen, also contribute to gut lining damage. Toxins and environmental chemicals, pesticides, heavy metals, and endocrine disruptors found in plastics and personal care products can weaken gut integrity. Gut dysbiosis. An imbalance in gut bacteria allows harmful microbes to thrive, which can further degrade the gut lining. These triggers create tiny microscopic gaps in the intestinal wall, leading to an immune system on high alert, increased inflammation, and the development of chronic health conditions. How leaky gut fuels chronic inflammation. Once the gut lining becomes compromised, the immune system reacts aggressively, treating foreign particles as invaders. This results in chronic, systemic inflammation, which is linked to a variety of health issues. Digestive disorders, IBS, bloating, gas, and food sensitivities are all common symptoms of leaky gut. Autoimmune diseases, conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, and lupus have been linked to increased gut permeability. Skin conditions, eczema, psoriasis, and acne can be triggered by gut inflammation. Mental health issues, anxiety, depression, and brain fog are increasingly connected to gut health thanks to the gut-brain axis. Metabolic disorders. Leaky gut is associated with insulin resistance, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. In other words, a damaged gut doesn't just stay in the gut, it affects the entire body. How to heal leaky gut and reduce inflammation. The good news is that leaky gut is reversible with the right approach. The key is to remove inflammatory triggers, repair the gut lining, and rebuild a healthy microbiome. Eliminate gut-damaging foods. Remove processed foods, refined sugars, gluten, dairy, if sensitive, and artificial additives. Focus on anti-inflammatory nutrition. Eat whole, nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, grass-fed meats, wild-caught fish, and healthy fats, avocados, olive oil, coconut oil. Support the gut lining with healing foods, bone broth, rich in collagen, glutamine, and gelatin to repair the intestinal barrier. Fermented foods, probiotics in sauerkraut, kimchi, and kefir restore microbiome balance. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in wild-caught salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds to reduce inflammation. Aloe vera and slippery elm, natural herbs that soothe and repair the gut lining. Manage stress, daily meditation, deep breathing, and proper sleep help regulate the gut-brain axis and reduce cortisol levels. Rebuild the microbiome, take high-quality probiotics, and eat prebiotic-rich foods like garlic, onions, and asparagus to nourish beneficial gut bacteria. Avoid toxins and chemicals. Reduce exposure to pesticides, artificial additives, and plastics that disrupt gut health. By addressing these areas, the gut lining can repair itself, inflammation can decrease, and overall, health can improve. The foundation of long-term health, leaky gut is often the hidden root cause behind chronic inflammation and modern health issues. Instead of treating symptoms individually, healing the gut addresses the source of the problem, allowing the body to restore balance naturally. In the next chapter, we'll dive into the best foods and supplements for gut repair, the key tools to strengthen the gut barrier, calm inflammation, and rebuild a thriving microbiome.